Why can't I hear anything? Can you guys hear it? So confused right now. I think I messed with my audio settings the other day. Alright, let me also mute so I don't accidentally swear again. I'll figure this out, boys. 1 second. Okay, there we go. We're cooking. I was trying to output it from my laptop speakers. How we doing, fellas? What's going on? Let me get chat open real quick. 1 sec. 1 sec. Okay, we are cooking. How we doing, boys? What's going on? I got my second coffee here for the day. Thought I'd hit the go live button. Do a cheeky little stream. Last stream just cut off abruptly because my internet died, and I've just been offline grinding since. So we'll go over the progress that I've been up to in a little bit, right after we get settled. Hold up, let me make sure that the game audio is running through a separate thing. Is it? Can you guys even hear the game audio right now? Can you guys hear that? I don't think you can. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's see. Put you through... Where do I want you? Cable A, I think. You guys hear it now? But you could hear it before? Right. I think you could. I just had it routed through the same cable, which is not what we want. We want this on a separate cable, so it's easier to edit. Because now this is not getting confused with the Brain FM music. Yeah, different tracks. Can pull it out. All right, what chill? Sounded better before. What do you mean sounded better? Should be like the same. Oh, that's hot. Yikes. Man, you can really tell it's been like a week since I've streamed. I'm just sitting here trying to like set shit up. What else do we have? Need my markers. There was a difference? Maybe it was just louder? Yeah, probably. Actually, yeah. It was definitely just louder. I think. Maybe. I don't know. Should be the same volume. Ah well, who cares? Alright, let me get my shit set up real quick. 1 sec, boys. Need to play some waiting music. How we doing though? It's a nice bright early Monday morning. Not really, it's midday. But hey, in spirit, it is a Monday morning. Okay, are my markers gonna work? One sec, fellas. Yes, they are. Yeah. Cool. Alright, we're cooking. How we doing, fellas? What's going on? Lads. Let me get my, I got my auto hotkey changed. Actually, yeah, let me put that on 3. Okay. We will do these guys. A sprite can go die. Yo, now we're cooking. What's going on, boys? G'day. Welcome. Welcome to the first stream in like a week. We got cut off pretty early last time because internet died. But now we are back and cooking. And boy, do I have some cook to show you. They call me Walter White. I've been cooking up a little something. I mean, not like a little something. I mean, I've just been doing a bunch of random shit, honestly. Game dev, you know how it be. Did we have the console last time we streamed? I don't think we did we? But like, look at this shit, dude. Charlie whipped this up in like a day or 2. Absolute unit of a fucking programmer. Now we've got like console shit. It's sick. I'm going to God mode. Spawn in my little test kit. Dude, it just, it feels so good to have a console. Like, oh my god, it is insane. I love it. Yeah, dude, there's been a lot of changes. Let me, go over the changelog. Actually, I've got to ping everyone on Discord as well. One sec. I will type this out myself. Twitch.tv/Randy. Is that an actual link? It'd be funny if it was broken. Yeah. We're cooking. Let's go! What does God mode do? God mode unlocks all the recipes and makes me not get hit. So, we've been, dude, the forest is growing so hard right now. There's so many trees. We probably need to fix that. That's a little, that's, that's a lot of trees, dude. Interesting. Okay, so, what have we been doing? Added in a new tier of base. So now we got the stone. This will protect from the gobby. Fucking get out of here, dude. So now if the gobby spawns... Hello, Mr. Gobby. Come here. Come here. Come here, little guy. So now we can have a base in the forest without the gobbies destroying our shit. Alright? So that's cool. And basically you get here through... Okay, so there's hardwood that you chop down from this guy. Right? Kind of scuffed prototype asset. Don't worry about it. So you get the hardwood from this guy, and now you can unlock the structure. But you can't chop down the hardwood with a normal flint axe. You need the tusk pickaxe. Or the tusk axe. You get the tusk axe from killing the big boss man. Which... should be an altar around here. Yeah. Whoop. So I did some changes to the altar. Actually, yeah, we're in god mode still. Okay. I just made it so the ball heads, you like put them on here and it'll be fine. So we can spawn those in. Boink. Dude, look how fucking easy is that. I love it. So we got Big Boss Man. If I do a kill all, he won't drop anything. It's a bit rough. Anyway, he basically spawns in the large tusk. These guys, right? And that's how you make the tusk axe. So then you can chop down the trees. He also spawns in air essence, which you can use to craft boots. We got the wind boots. These guys. And use that to double jump. Look at that. Big content, fellas. Big content. What else we got? If we peep in the test kit. Oh, armor equipment. That's a thing. Look. He's fucking running around with some armor on now. Look at that, dude. Nice. I redrew the animation so that, like, it's very, very simple right now, so it's easy to add the armor equipment stuff. Because he'll be naked when he runs. But if we, you know, put that on. Feeling pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, as you can tell from the title, it's crunk time, boys. It's crunk time. We need to absolutely crunk. 7 days, 12 hours. Oh. Coffee time. Let's get going. Let us get going. So today, we're just gonna do a bunch of shit. Right now, I'm like, you caught me in the middle of working on equipment slots. Right now, to equip stuff, you gotta like hit the E in the inventory, and it's a little sus. So I want to do this by like moving it over. Just crashed. We have a crash reporter. Look at that. Charlie's been fucking grinding away on some engine stuff. Crash reporter. We got better data collection. We got console. Man's just an absolute fucking machine. So, you know, you can send crashes, which is good now. So we don't have to rely on people, you know, joining the Discord and submitting an issue. So that's good. The instant you brought up crash reporter, my Ableton crashed. Classic, dude. It's like an actual game now. Yeah, dude, we're shipping. Choo choo. Need a big fucking impressive cruise ships horn sounds. Give it to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boys, we are shipping. We are shipping. 7 days. Randy, are you an Aussie? Yes. Do I not sound Aussie? Huh? Watched on Twitch too, double the render? Yeah. That's where it's at, alright? How many programmers, how many artists? So we got, me, gameplay, design, content, Charlie, engine programmer, and Coulson is the artist. He's actually streaming live right now. Let's go say hi, boys. everyone go follow Corzin right now. He's prototyping out the desert biome, so that's what we're gonna work on next. Is bringing that in, and you know, we have one more biome to sneak in here before the demo is done, so it should be good. Let me link this. Go say hi, boys. Oh, delicious. Alrighty, let's. So right now, I want to do the proper equipment slots. It's kind of like a quality of life thing. We don't really need to do it. It works right now, but it's not gonna be too hard. I've pretty much done the hard part, which is like laying it out in the inventory already. So we can just run. We can just run with it. Yeah. So let's just get going. First, let's fix that crash. What do we got? Full screen in. Let's go, boys. I low-key want to switch over to focus. But I don't have the build set up yet, so I can't. Alright, what do we got? So I think the crash is coming from this guy over here. We're not properly adding the containers. What do we got? So, okay, yeah. Set up the play container. Container player. Okay, so now I think literally all we need to do is just add this in. Equip slots, I'd say. And I think that'll just fix the crash. Maybe. Yeah, look at that. There we go. So now we can have the little equip slots. We still gotta cook them up. Cool if I stream the playtest? Dude, that would be sick. Run it. Let's see. I kind of like. We've already got a decent amount of footage for this playtest, so maybe hold off till like the next one. But then I'll just keep saying that over and over again, and then you're never gonna play. So just play whenever you want, dude. Yeah. Ping when the next one rolls around. Yeah. We'll. I wonder if we can do a ship today. I wonder. Because we just sent out version 23, all right? That was last night. This guy. Got a nice post over here. And we've already got a couple tests on it, so yeah.
Trees that I've done with just that brush. Let's see. So, like, bush has been done with that brush. Believe it or not.
Nice, boys, nice.
Edit, and then you can reinstate. Thank you for the follow, everybody. I really do appreciate it.
Woo,
I know I didn't
let's
think,
go.
You know what? I'll go back. I'm gonna do it.
Everyone spam love hearts in
Thank
chat
you for the follow,
Coulson's thing. Come on, boys. Let's go. Man's grinding. All right, let's do a bit of grinding ourselves. Yeah, so proper equipment slots. Let's get back to it. Yeah, earlier it was like a weird scuff system, how like we just add references to it. But now we want to do this, right? So we're gonna commit balls deep. We're gonna go into the play state. Oh, dude, just time to lock in. Should we play some fat beats and get demonetized? The problem is, like, YouTube just died. The stream on YouTube died last time I was streaming some, like, music. So I don't know, man. I don't know. How about we just settle for some banger Brain FM beats? Give me a good one. Motivation. Come on. What do we got? Astrojax. I haven't heard this one yet. All I need is a kick drum. Then I'm a happy man. Okay. So, this is the old system. Goodbye. We're gonna get a bunch of compile errors, and we're gonna go through and fix them all. Get equipped entities. I don't fuck with this. Something heavy. Okay. Got a nice little drum groove going on. Come on. Kick drum. That'll do me. That'll do me, dude. Turn down a bit. Warrant. The fucking synth is just too in your face. Doesn't work. Post rock? Are you still in Argentina? No. No. I left there years ago. Okay, get equipped entities. So instead of this, we're gonna go and loop over the equip slots. Okay. And then we're gonna say if slot, first of all, okay, and then if it is valid, yep, this will still work. Okay, so we can more or less just do that. Get item equip slot. Is that even used anywhere? Come back to that. Get inventory slot count. Ah. Okay. Get equip slots. Actually, we kind of want to just like directly index into it now, right? So get player state, and then we go the equip. What was it called again? Yeah, equip slots. And then we're just going to index into it with equip slot backpack. That should do the trick. Okay, Hotbar slot count. We are just gonna comment that out and come back to it at a later date. Bye bye. Not being used right now. Remove item from player slots. I don't know. Where is this being used? Okay, move from the player slots. Yeah, makes sense. It's used when we drop the item. So, and then we add in the held item, and we also add in the equipped items. Yeah, that works for me. Equip slots. That'll work. Alright, what else? Bro, imagine if all these were runtime errors. I would jump off that balcony right there. Ooga booga. Yeah, sounds about right. Booga booga indeed. Okay, so we were using get item equip slot. Get item equip slot. Item entity is equal to null. Okay, so we don't even want to do this anymore. Old. Because now we have our own slots. We're not right-clicking them. So we should be good. I think we can do this as well. There we go. Look at that. Refactor done. It's insane. It's like all the errors are just compile errors, and now things just work perfectly. Not a single bug. Alright, so the next thing that I want to do is... well, now we gotta get the equipment working again, right? Dude, fuck off. I'm trying to explain something here, alright? Chill. Come on, man. So rude. So now we're gonna make, like, each of these actual slots, right? And, like, stop some stuff from getting in there. Yeah, so this will get yeeted. Bye-bye. Same with this. Bye-bye. Yeah. Alright. Let's cook. That is not the best place to post a bill. Hop in the Discord and chuck it in the issues forum. That's where I see them. Because I don't get notifications on Steam. So it's a lot easier for me to look in there. Okay, yeah, so now we gotta, like, actually make them slots. How are we gonna do that? Yep, Steam demo. Steam demo in 7 days. So I want to draw a little outline first of these guys. So let's like just slide something in real quick. I think we'll do this guy. Okay, so just before this guy, we'll have like a outline thing for slots. So I'll basically just copy this and we'll go sprite for equip slot. Okay. Now, if it's an equip slot, this is getting messy, but like caveman time, boys. Come on, let's go. Equip slot type. Yeah. Now we're cooking. Okay. Equip slot type. And then we'll do one of these guys down the bottom. Line 20,680. I wonder. Yeah, I'll just manually do it. Fuck it. We will. Leather helm. Leather chest piece. Leather gauntlet. Leather boots. And leather backpack. Dude, why is shit so slow? Leather gauntlets. Okay. Fine. Maybe it's not a member of Sprite ID. It's right here. Oh, it didn't even paste. Okay. Okay, case, return, nil. I will just return, nil. There we go. Cool. That'll work. Enough arguments, of course. Okay, so we want to make this be a default to nil. Okay. And now where we actually do it, in here we want to pass our slot. So pass in the equip slot there. Should be good. Let me fucking turn VS Code off and on again because, you know, VS Code has been VS Code. Dude, what is happening? Something's being a CPU hog. Ah, yes, my favorite. Desktop window manager. Beauty. Unga bunga. Indeed. When you have exactly one Firefox tab open. Yes. That is how it goes. Not sure how I feel about if expressions don't need to be wrapped in parens. Okay, here's a question. Why would you need to wrap them in parentheses to begin with? Riddle me that. It's optional though. You can do it. Like when you need to do the ordering for things, that's when you pull out the parentheses. Like imagine if every single like math operation you had to like wrap it in parentheses. Like, oh, hold up. Let me do this. Let's just not implicitly do it. Okay. What are we doing? Good question. We are getting an outline of these guys rendered. Okay, so we got the sprite ID. So I think these guys should just like render now. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. So actually, what we want to do here is an else. And do that down there. There we go. Now we're cooking. Okay, replace this with this. Alright, so now that should show the just show them in every single fucking... That works for me. Yeah, I think that's what we want, right? Dude, fuck off. Get out of here. Else if slot type equal equip. There we go. Okay, now we're cooking. Okay, so what I want to do next is just make them blacked out. So we can do a icon dot color override gray. Look at that, easy win. Now they are slots. And that has made me realize that we are doing a fucky wucky here. We want to go if equip slot equals 0, continue. 'Cause that's nil. Beautiful. Okay. So now, dude, look at that. Easy win. Just works. Oh wow. This actually just works for everything. That's nuts. Look at that. It's that easy, boys. Now we just have to stop things from being put in the wrong slot. Alright. Which is gonna be a little trickier, but we'll get it done. Like, what's the alternative? We don't get it done? You know? Whenever y'all ever come into a programming problem and just being like, you know what? It's not getting done today. It's impossible. I give up. Never gonna program again. No. Eventually you just chip away at it. Or you move on to another problem and then come back at a later date, you know? The alternative is death. Okay. So, shift clicking is going to be an issue. I don't know what the fuck happened there, but that was definitely a bug. That's going to be an issue. Or it's getting shift clicked into the fucking ether. Into like my extra hotbar slots that aren't even there right now. Alright, that is a bug. Let's make sure we don't. To be fair, that's shipped right now, so some people are probably gonna do it. Hotbar slot shift click bug. That's a rest in peace for all the people right now who are having their items disappear in the playtest. It's a fucking hell, dude. Okay, yeah, so step one, let's just get the fucking slots working. So, we just want to prevent them from being in other slots. So how can we do that? We can look in the merge two slots, which is what we actually do. And we say, hello, if problem. Dude, at this rate, slot type. Yeah, we can just add it onto the end. It's a little scuffed, but it'll work. Dash slot type. Source slot type. It'll do the trick. Okay, so this will just pass down this. We are definitely not like 3 layers deep right now. And this guy is just a mouse something? I don't even know. Slot type. Inventory, hotbar, storage. We don't even have a mouse. Let me put that in. Held mouse slot. Mouse held item is what it's called. I'm just gonna call it mouse. There we go. Alright, that should work. Cool. Alright, so now that we've got this, we can say if dest slot type. So we also need to like, okay, I'm thinking we like merge everything into a slot, storage slot, because this right now just, we can change this to be a struct and then put everything in there. Probably what we want to do. Because we also need to not just get the slot type, but also get like the equip slot type. It's a whole fucking thing, dude. Programming. Caveman. We do. Change this to be a struct. Handle. Type. slot type, equip type, and then I think that will do us. And then we can go to this, and we can go to this, and then we can fix up our compile errors. Yeah? Sound cool? Let's do it. Okay. So then we go slot dot handle, 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 handle. This is a big fucking mess, dude. I think I could, if I had to redo this system, I would not have handle like pointers to handles. I would just have like full on fucking, like maybe store the entity in them. I don't know, dude. I really don't know. I actually don't know what I would do. Probably nothing. Cause like I actually just can't think of a better way of doing this. Let's hope that all of this just works. And it's not me being brain dead right now. We're definitely going to introduce a bug or two. Okay, so now we come up to here and we want to basically construct destruct. Right. So this is the handle. So let's just do that. Handle equal that. And then slot type equal inventory. Right? And we should be cooking. Was that even the inventory? No, I think that was the, this is the hotbar, right? No, this is the fucking chest, my bad. So, entity, interface. Slot type, entity storage. Alright, it's right in the end. My bad. Okay, we want to get rid of this guy. We want to get rid of both of these guys, actually. There we go. Okay, another one. This guy is the inventory slots. So, let's... like that. Get rid of you. Spell properly. Now we're cooking. Okay. Step by step, we will refactor. Alright, so these are the equipment slots. So slot type is equal to equip, and then there's the equip type is equal to the equip slot. Okay, one more. I think we got the, what the fuck is this? Sorry, equip slot. How do I rename that? Equip slot type? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Alright. One more in here. Handle. Handle. I think we can just swap that. It's just swapping pointers around. Should work. Alright, one more. This guy is the hotbar slot. Okay. Cool. So now we go storage slot dot slot type equal equip, and then we got the equip slot type, equip type in there. There we go. Cooking. Shift click slot. Slot. Okay, we need to go to this. Slot type. Where are you coming from? Right, you're coming up from here. We just passed that down, I think. That should work. Slot type. Make that the mouse. And then the handle. Okay. Getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. We will compile any day now. This guy's just the same. Let me copy that. Come on. I can smell it. We're close. Okay, this changes this to that. Slot. Okay, what else? Oh, there we go. Done. Done, fellas. Let's see if we're still cooking. Look at that. We are still cooking. That is insane that we still don't have a crash after that. You saw me just fixing fucking errors there for like a year. And it just works. Amazing. Beautiful. What now? Well, now we gotta head back to the thing that we were doing. The reason why we did that little refactor. Down in here. Okay. Let's get our bookmarks straight. This guy. Okay, so now we can go if dash dot slot type is equal to equip. Right? Yeah. Dash dot slot type. Okay, so now we need to get like the source, right? So the source is the thing in our mouse. The thing in our mouse, right? So now we got to go source, item ID, equip slot. Okay, so we got that. Cool. So now we've got the items equip slot. So if the item res dot equip slot is not equal to, so the thing that we're trying, the thing that we have in our mouse, if it's not equal to the destination, dude, this is a fucking banger, dude. Holy shit. Let's go, boys. Fucking zoned in. Okay. If it's not equal to the destination dot equip type, then we return. Get the fuck out of here. We don't want to do anything. Moment of truth. Look at that. Doesn't work. Yeah. Yeah. Now we are cooking. Now we are cooking with gas, baby. That doesn't work. Interesting. Boots. Cool. Alright, backpack doesn't work. Let me fix that real quick. What do we got? I'm guessing the backpack is just, leather backpack. Yeah, we're just not defining the equip slot. Backpack. There we go. Done. Look at that. Equipment system. Easy. Now we can't get it out. it's stuck on us forever, dude. Alright. So now we gotta do the reverse, I think. If the destination slot type is equal to the equip. If I'd like to say hand is nil. If hand is not nil, I think we should get our hand. No, not quite. Sorry, not valid. Done. Alright. Now for my next trick. What if we want to like do a little switcheroo, right? So let's bring in the test kit. Okay. What if we want to like swap in where did our boots go? Oh, I think it's going into the hotbar slots that aren't visible. That's my hunch. Then we actually just introduced that bug. That wasn't shipped in the last version, so that's kind of cool. Hopefully. Come on, boys. Bug fixing time. Where is the bug? Sniff him out. Oh, we're actually not even spawning in leather boots in the test kit. Never mind. That's not a bug. We're spawning in the wind boots instead. Actually, yeah, we don't want to spawn in leather boots in the test kit. We want the best of the best. So let's get some leather boots going. There we go. Okay, so now we gotta get the swapping working. And it already works. Holy shit. That's nuts. Right out of the gate. Okay, done. Easiest fucking fix in my life, dude. Alright, shift clicking. That's up next. If we shift click this... fucking gone, dude. Absolutely gone. It's going into the hotbar, the hotbar that doesn't exist. So, easy fix for this, we make the hotbar exist. How about that? We just like don't have a resizable hotbar. How's that sound, boys? Best way to solve the problem is to realize that it's not a problem to begin with. What do you want, 9 slots? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's where they were going. Oh, that's the stuff right there. Nothing like a good drink of water. Quench my thirst. Yeah, do we want a big hotbar? Do we want to make it upgradable? I mean, like, I kind of like the idea of you having to, like, upgrade your hotbar slots. I don't know. But that also just might be a fucking stupid idea. Like, I don't know, dude. I think we can keep this in. Just, like, keep it the max, call it a day. 9's the standard, right? So Minecraft does? Yeah, 9. One for each of the numbers of the hotkeys. Should be good. It'll give us a bit more room in the hotbar at least. Dude, Enshrouded had a sick hotbar. They had a double hotbar, right? So you basically had 2 hotbars and you could like swap between the 2 at any given point with like a hotkey. I fucking love that, dude. So like when we get more weapons and like more shit in the game and we find that like the player just like doesn't have enough hotbar slots, at least accessible ones, then we can add in this little hot switch, which I think would be sick. The Minecraft mod that does that is sick as well, so I love it. All right, let's get the shift click working for the hotbars. I added in shift clicking the other day, so now we're like actually shift clickable. Can dump stuff in the chest nice and easy. Feeling good. All right, so what do we want the behavior to be here? Let's go look at the... Oh, I wonder what happens if we can probably right click. Yeah, okay. We can right click stuff into the hotbar slots. Shh, don't tell anyone, boys. You can equip a raw flint onto your head. Shh, it's a secret. Don't tell anyone. We're gonna ship with it and just hope no one does it. Alright, let me turn this down a bit. Here's a feature, boys, alright? Extra, like, hotbar, extra storage. Extra early game storage. You shove the rocks up your ass. That's a win right there. Alright, yeah, so we do want the classic functionality of being able to shift click into the armor slots, right? So let's see if I can do that easily. If I can't do it easily, I'm just gonna give up. And move on to something more important. Okay. Yeah, we're in the shift click. Okay, so... So here we're trying to figure out what is the destination slot, alright? Okay, so if another inventory isn't open, and this is starting to become a big old chain of if statements. It's what we want. If slot type is equal to no. If how does Minecraft handle this? Because, like, that's our go-to, right? You need to behave exactly like Minecraft. So everyone already has the muscle mem. Like, if we shift click and we don't have an armor slot, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I think, like... Alright, first up, let's just see if the entity... en item, just say item res, if get item resource, en.item id. Okay, so we'll say if item res dot equip slot. Okay, so if we have an equip slot, which we weren't by default, that's why we got the nil in there. Nil's always handy. So if we have an equip slot on the item, we're going to try and put it into the slot that we want. Minecraft have the armor slots be the first inventory slots and limited to only armor. I guess then they all stored in one array. That'd be interesting. It's probably what I should do. Is like store everything in one array. And just segment it off. I don't know. Who cares? Okay. Equip slot. If they have an equip slot, then we're gonna try and put like shift click it across into the thing. Right? Because, like, what happens if an item's already there? Maybe we should just swap it? I don't know. It's getting kind of complicated. That's alright. We can get through it, boys. Okay, if there's an equip slot, then our destination slot is going to be get equip slot. We'll just go we'll just do this. Get equip slot. Why not? Slot. Dude, what's it called? Item slot? Is that the... what was the thing called? Storage slot. Okay, so we're gonna have to make one. It's not like a pointer, it's a... okay. Handle equal to that. Slot type is equal to... equip. Dude, this is such a mess. That's how we roll. Okay, done. Get equip slot. Okay, so now that we have this guy. Will this work? Okay, so the shift click works. It's getting like real hairy though, because it's like a fucking... earlier it was a 2x2 problem, now it's like a 3x3. So it's like really starting to eat shit. It's starting to get messy as hell, dude. Oh, God. Okay, so simple solution. We don't support shift clicking the items. Done. Fixed. Problem solved. Let's move on. Dude, you can shift click. You can already shift click out. Only if your hotbar isn't full though. Kind of weird. Yeah. We're just gonna not do it. Simple as that. Done. We'll figure it out later on. Okay, so let's say note. Yeah, we'll come back to that. It's getting too complicated. Too stinky. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is I kind of want to like move this across to the edge. Right? So like, let's go into the equipment slots. You can turn this off. Turn this on for release. Ship with it. So right now we're in a row. If I just do a spacer, send parent, do one of these, it should move it across, I think. Not quite. There we go. Now, what I want to do is I kind of want to like, can we just keep it like that? How about we do this? Put a spacer on both sides so it's centered. Like that. Still looks kind of weird, right? Like we could extend this out so that it fills more. So like we make the row length 9 or 8 or whatever. 8's probably the play. Um, 7. Yeah, we could do that. Put that on the end. Center it. Alright, that's feeling better. Alright, now we're just going to get this being in multiples of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so 14 for the default. Base inventory count. Change that to 14. And then the... backpack adds it by another 14. So now we got mad space. Dude, look at that. So spacious. Oh. Oh. Look at all that space, dude. Can actually do some proper inventory management now. Now we're cooking. Me likey. I'm gonna say backpack. Fuck. Make the leather backpack 7, so we got more room to grow. What did I call it? Additional imp slots, yeah. Okay. Okay. So now in, where are we going? In here somewhere actually. Yep, right here. We want to do the hover tooltip, I think. Yeah. Item tooltip. Down the bottom here, we'll just add in a new if item dot additional inventory slots. We go plus 10 inventory slots. Okay. Cooking. So the back part, yep. So now the backpack says plus 7 inventory slots, and we're good. I almost want to move this to make it horizontal. Yeah, should be out. Shippable. Let's go. Equipment slots. Shippable equipment slots. Shippable. That is looking good. Boop. We need to do a... By the way, boys, hot tip. Git pull dash dash rebase dash dash auto stash. The best command ever. You'll never have to do a merge in your life. Oh, Caution's got the rough desert in. Let's check it out. Push that up. Nice. Okay. Got some nice layers. 4 layers, beauty. What is this text edit? Or it's VS Code. What are you what are you talking about? You have any advice or tips for someone who wants to learn game dev from scratch? Give up. You'll never get there. Nah, check rainy.gg/res. I got all my shit up there. Alright, feeling good. Make sure the armor still works, actually. It's probably a good idea. Yeah, it still works. How? Big L. Alright, we're cooking. Private equipment slots done and dusted, baby. Let's go. Changelog for V24. Sweet. Done. Alright, next thing I want to work on is this little guy. Jackalope. Look at him, dude. Look at this little fella. Boing. Let's see. What's like the biggest? Let's like sit back, take a nice high level overview. What can we get done in the next 7 days? That'll be like the most bang for buck. That's the question. Like we could do a few things. Work on the desert biome. We could add in more enemies, or more mobs. I think more mobs would be huge. Because it's like, we need more stuff in the early game. I think, because the early game's kind of like dry and barren. It's like, I've been adding in a lot of content, but like all the content's in like the late game. And expanding out that way. I think we need to focus on the basics. What happens here? Like, let's make like the start of the game as fun and enjoyable as possible, because like That's where everyone's going to be. Everyone's going to start it at the start, right? So the more fun we can make the start, the more likely people are going to want to stay till the end. I think that's where it's at. So we need to get like those first kind of like actions rock solid. I'm thinking maybe we actually get rid of this like punch thing. Oh, dude, the new inventory feels so much better. Fucking shift clicking around. It's like, yeah, dude. I mean, the punch is good. I don't really like the punch for the tree. Like it, I almost want to like bring roots back in so that like when you can like pick up the roots and then you get sticks from that, and that's like the first thing you do. Okay, base building. I think that's what I want to focus on. I think like you need to make this more cozy. So like health needs to get regened near the campfire. Better like starting point for just getting this shit up and running. All right, let's change the wood back wall. I want to make this a little bit cheaper. I got rid of the small back wall because it was kind of fucking pointless. All right, I'm pissed. BLB boys. making some 10x program of yogurt. Gonna slurp that down real quick. Okay. Done. So yeah, kind of want to focus on the early game. The onboarding. We don't have any kind of tutorial outside of hit tab to open inventory and like E to collect rock. That's it. That's the entire tutorial. So we might need to do something there. Actually, I think just adding more mobs to the plains will be like a good first step. So honestly, let's just get like this guy in. Let's get him in, running around. Kind of need to do root motion with this. We'll see if it works good with this scuffed motion first. Or it sounds like a Harry Potter vibe. I feel like I'm fucking in Hogwarts right now. Dude, what are these tracks? I've like never heard them before. I just want silence at this point. There we go. Nice drone. Okay, jackalope enemy. Cool. There we go. So let's add him in. Be kind of similar to the slime, I think. I think instead of like having him run, we can have him hop. Every time he does like a jump, we just launch him into the air a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. We could also just make him walk. We'll try it both. Okay, let's go to the goblin. I think that's like the most latest thing. Should have the most sauce. So we're not actually going to have any attacking in here. It's going to be a passive mob. The first passive mob in the game. That's going to be fun. Okay. And we'll do a... Yeah, let's just comment all this out for the time being. Get everything just up and running. Okay. Downskis, boilerplate, up and running. Easy. There's also a lamb that we can throw in. So... or sheep, this guy. He'll probably be easy to put in, actually. Should be good. See you later, Crimmy. Peace out. Sleep tight. I think I'm actually gonna go have a nap as well. I'm kind of exhausted coming off my morning coffee high. Yeah, I think I'm going to go do a bit more offline grinding, lads, and then, well, honestly, I probably won't stream again. I think this is the last stream for a long time. Because I'm just going to be absolutely fucking cranking for the next, like, 7 days. And then after that, I'm going to take some time off while just, you know, fixing bugs in the thing, in the demo. We'll see. I'm also working on a video, so you can sit tight for that. That'll be out, like, probably after the Survival Crafting Fest is over and done with. I think, yeah, I think I'm just gonna take it easy for a bit, do some offline stuff, and live, laugh, love. Sounds like a plan. Get that start of the game feeling good. Yeah, I think that's I think that's what I'm gonna focus on for the next week, or for like the next few days at least. It's just like, how can I make this start of the game as good as possible? So go do that modded MC. Yeah, I don't know if I'll do that on stream. I don't know. Like I kind of just want to do that offline and chill out, you know. Play a bit more Terraria. Like, I do kind of want to do it on stream, but like at the same time, I just want to relax, you know. Like maybe sometime after the demo. But yeah, not really feeling it at the moment. Just don't really know if streaming is for me, you know. Every now and then I like come back, and I have like a stint, like what we just did for the past however long it's been. Good month or so. I think this is going to be the final stream in a long while. I think I'd rather focus on just making good videos, which is kind of what I've been doing. So we'll have a good video out soon. It's been a whole year. Alright, boys. Well, I'm gonna peace out. I'll see you when I see you, I guess. I'm just gonna go down to the store, grab some milk real quick. Then I'll be right back. Promise, dude.